Okay, let's call this original function f of t. So then when we get to a question where it's asking you to find f prime, that's the same thing as f prime of t, or the derivative of the original function at some t. So here, anytime that you want to know where the derivative is equal to 0, you're going to look for critical points that are either the maximum point or the minimum point. The reason why the derivative is 0 at these critical points is because if I draw a tangent line that touches the original function at those points, you can see that those tangent lines are horizontal, and the derivative of any horizontal line is 0. Therefore, the derivative of f of t is going to be 0 at t equals, and that's approximately, I'm going to approximate that, like it's a little bit over 2, but we'll just say at approximately t equals 2, and at approximately t equals 7, okay? All right, now we want to know where is f prime increasing the fastest. So f prime is going to increase the fastest at an inflection point, and we're looking for an inflection point where the function is actually increasing. So here we can see that f of t is increasing. Oops, let me use a highlighter, okay? So it's increasing over the interval from 2 to 7. And we can see that the inflection point occurs at around, so if I'm approximating here, at around t equals 5. So here we can see that we have an inflection point. An inflection point is where a function changes concavity. So here we're going from concave up, and then at t equals 5, that's where it goes from concave up to concave down. Okay, so we'll say here at t equals 5 is where the function is increasing the fastest. And again, that is our inflection point, okay? All right, over which intervals is f prime positive, and then where is it negative? So let me erase all of my markings so far. And well, it doesn't look like it lets me erase much here. Okay, so let's just take a look real quickly. I'll use a different highlighter. Let me use green. Where is the function positive, or excuse me, where is the derivative positive? The derivative is going to be positive wherever the function is increasing. So again, hopefully you can see that what I highlighted in purple is where the function is increasing. So we can write down here that f prime is positive, right, over the interval from approximately 2 to 7, okay? And then where is it negative? The function is going to be negative wherever the derivative, I keep saying the function, the derivative is going to be negative wherever the function is decreasing. So here we can see that the function is decreasing from 0. Let me find my highlighter here. I'll highlight it in blue, from 0 to 2, and then from 7 to infinity. So let's write that down in interval notation. F prime is negative over 0 to 2, and also from 7 to positive infinity.